you wanna get like me? Spend some things on me. Do you wanna get like me? Spend some things.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Desi Marie here, and I want to let you guys know thank you for watching. For those of you who are new, please make sure to subscribe and hit the like button below. And for my babes who have been watching, I appreciate you all, and thanks for watching again. Today I'm going to be doing the unbagging of my October Ipsy Glam Bag. So enough of the talking, let's get right into it. Alright guys, let's see what I got. This is the October Glam Bag. It's pretty cute. I like it. Now let's see what goodies I got in here. So I got another brush. Not mad at ya. I love these brushes that they send me. I love new brushes. It's like an eyeshadow blending brush. It's pretty cute. And I love how it's purple glitter here. Not bad. And what else did I get? I got an olive oil face mask for all skin types. It's deep cleansing. Can't wait to try that. And then I got, what is this? So Suzanne Cosmetics Color Tip High Intensity Color Pigment. So I'm guessing this is an eyeshadow. Pretty cute. Cute packaging. So I'm really hoping that this is not the same color that they sent me last month. It is actually, oh, I really like the packaging. Like, it's very detailed and it is a purple color. Oh my gosh. Okay, the purples I like, but I kind of want something different than purple eyeshadow. However, I am gonna try it. I do like it. It is cute, but I got purple eyeshadow last month, Ipsy. So I'm just saying I would like a little something different. So I'm just gonna go ahead and try this out, and I think there's like a sticker here. I want to feel like the shadow pigments. I want to feel how it is, like if it's a very loose powder. I just feel like if it's loose powder, when I'm applying it to my eyelids, like I don't like that powder that falls underneath. Of course I'll wear like some translucent powder and put it underneath, but I just like, it scares me because I don't want it to fall onto my lash strips or even my lashes, because then throughout the day, like when I look down, like it just doesn't look cute. Like eyeshadows on your lashes, girl. This is like really on here. Sorry, I'm like having a hard time taking this little sticky off of the shadow. I just want to feel the shadow. Come on. I just want to know like how it feels. Like I just want to share with you guys. All right. So I'm just gonna dip a shadow brush. You know what? I'm gonna try this one that they just sent me because it's new and fresh. Okay, check it out, guys. Like, oh my gosh. All right, let's give it a shot. Yeah, it's very loose, but very, very pigmented. Look at that, that is so dark. Ooh. That is pretty. I like it. Oh my gosh. Okay, Ipsy, I see you, and I am loving this color right now. It's very glittery, guys. In the light, it's so glittery. It looks really good. Like, this would go good. I could already see the whole idea in my head. I would so mix this up with like a pretty brown, light brown. But it's very, very pigmented. It's so soft. All right, so my next item is a eyeliner. waterproof, oh no, water-based, sorry guys. And it is from AURORA. Let's see. Just gonna try it here. Wow, I like this. I'm definitely gonna try this. Yeah, for sure. It like goes on so smoothly. Like right away, so smooth. It's a dark brown color, by the way, so it's not black. But I'm not mad at you. Like, I will definitely try this. I'll probably mix it up actually with this purple eyeshadow. That's a good combination. So I'm a little excited now. I guess I'll give it a try. And then for my last item, ooh, it's a MAC lip gloss. Hey guys, check it out. Okay. I think I've gotten MAC items from them before. So this might be my second one. Yes, actually I did. I got a MAC primer, like a face primer, and it worked really well. It was a sample size. Of course, that's what Ipsy's about, guys. So you can't get mad. I mean, for $10, you get 5 products, 5 little sample size products. I mean, I think it's a good deal. Just saying. So this is actually a really cute color. I'm definitely gonna try this. I'm excited to try this one as well. And let's just see the texture of it. So just opening it. Oh, it looks very glossy. Yep, it's very glossy, guys. And it kind of gives that sticky feeling, like on your lips. Like you could already tell. I mean, I can already tell. Putting it on my skin tone, I could already feel the stickiness, but that's how I know that it's gonna stay on me throughout the day. So I think this is actually gonna be really good. So I'm excited to try that out. That was my 5th product. I really liked all the products that I got from Ipsy this month. I am happy with all my products. I can't say that I've never been disappointed with Ipsy Glam Bags, because there have been some times where I've gotten maybe a couple products or an Ipsy Glam Bag for a month where I was like a little unsatisfied. But that's okay, because what I do is I'll go and put the review. Of course, you get your points for that as well. So make sure you put your reviews on every product that you get, because your points will accumulate and you do want to get some free items. I mean, once you reach a certain amount of points, you can switch those out and get free items, which I like to do. I mean, who doesn't like free stuff? That's a big tip. If you guys feel that you are getting your items and not liking them over time, maybe switch up your profile. Maybe switch up some things that you do like and that you do want to try. Or maybe in the beginning when they ask you what brands do you like to wear, maybe switch it up and select some brands that you have never tried, so that way maybe you can get some new items. I am going to close up this video with their card that they send in every glam bag that you get. So this one says, "Who said nights were for sleep?" For October 2018. We all need beauty rest, but there's nothing like the weird, unacceptable things that go down when you stay out late. And a post 11 p.m. outing is a killer excuse to take some beauty risk. Tempted? Us too. Let me know what you guys got in your Ipsy Glam Bag. I would love to know what you guys received. Leave your comments below if you guys want me to do some makeup tutorials, maybe on applying my products that I've gotten. And if you guys have any questions, definitely let me know as well. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video, and if so, please make sure to hit the like button below, and also make sure to subscribe to your girl Desi Marie here. Thanks so much for watching. I love you, babes, and till next time, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.